Good afternoon, UA teachers. Today I'm just going to show you how to go to Rubicon and pull the report to check if all your standards are assessed for this school year. Once you open your Rubicon, as you see, you're on your dashboard, you go to report and you scroll all the way down to targeted, not assessed. Again, open your Rubicon to your dashboard, you go to reports, you go all the way down to targeted, not assessed. You click on it, and then on your left side under filter courses, you are going to pick Universal Academy, and then you pick your grade. For example, I'm going to take fifth grade, okay? And subject, you can pick multiple subjects at the same time, and you can pick multiple grades at the same time. So for example, if I want to take one of the middle school or high school teachers, I can go 6, 7, 8, and then I can go ELA, and then you put the name of the teacher under type a username. And then you click on your name, and then you will click submit. You will see here, you will have a bunch of standards that will come up. The ones in blue are the ones that are still missing that you need to complete. You will click on the first one, and then a list of those standards will open. Once you go, you will be able to see which unit it is. Here, for example, Unit 3 or Unit 4, and then right here, it will tell you what standard it is. You go back to that unit, you go to the assessment, you open one of the assessment, whichever the standard follows, and then you open that assessment, and you click on that standard, you save, and that should take it out your list. You complete all of those. Once you're done, you go back, and then here are your lists again. So you can see in grade 6, everything is done. In grade 7, you have 13. In grade 8, you have 5. And then in the technology, you have 2. So this is the column that you need to work on. I'm going to do another example. So I'm going to start again, reports, all the way, targeted, not assessed. Then I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you an example of a teacher that is all set. Okay, I'm going to pick the whole school, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, 6, 7, and 8, for example. I need all these grades, and then my subject would be physical education. And then I'm gonna pick one of my physical education teachers. And then I'm going to submit. And then here are also few of the standards that are still not done. For example, if I take out middle school and I just concentrate on elementary, I go back and resubmit. If you are done, this is what you're going to see. No results found. That means all of your targeted standards have been assessed and you are all set for checkout. Okay, that is a great example of showing you that this is what you should get to. Once you finish all of your standards and you have clicked on all of them and you try the report one more time, this is what we need to see to be able to check you out. Under targeted standards not assessed, no results found. That means all of your targeted standards have been assessed. Good luck, and let's get ready for the end of this school year. Go Eagles!